So hey guys, this is Ramod Rajnikant. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rajja Btech. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about that what is Udemy, why most people will go with the Udemy rather than just going with the other courses. We will going to understand completely about the Udemy. So first of all, Udemy is an online platform where you will going to be access the free courses and paid courses with the low budget. It will be going to cost around like 500 rupees for entire courses. So if you want to learn about the full stack web development, any IT related the courses, everything you can be learn from the Udemy. So it is easy to use and best to learn valuable skills as well. So let's go to the window, go to the any web browser that you wanted to go. So this is the exactly UI of the Udemy look like. So just if you have an account, you can just go with the login, and if you are just newly creating the account, go with the sign up button. So that's how it is. Just click for the sign up button. Yeah, done. So I have signed up successfully. So click for the sign up button and select with the Google, and then you will sign up process is very easy. So this is exactly of the courses. So these are the premium courses that you can be see that premium courses. Basically Udemy will create the some sales part of the thing. So right now the sale is going, so that's why the rate of this particular course, the actual price is 3,000. Right now you will going to access this course for 5,000 only. So these are the, when if you want to learn more detail about this lecture, so click for the lectures and you can be access the more detailed description about this particular courses, what are the timing of the courses, what you will going to be learn. And so sales ends today. So here you will going to see that the sales concept. So after 7 hours you won't be able to access this course with a worth of 500. 7 hours are left. So basically no need to be worried about that this sales. So based on the certain things that they will going to conduct the different kind of the sales discounts. So you will sometimes you will going to get this course with a worth of 300 as well, and sometimes it will be 700. So it will be vary. So and if you want to see the preview of the courses of them, like how the preview means you cannot access complete courses, but you can access the set of the videos. Based on that you can understand that whether you want to purchase this course or not. So that's how it will be work. So click for the preview video, it will be paid over here. Play here.
Hey guys, it's Angela from the App Brewery, and in this lesson we're going to deep dive into how exactly.
So this is a preview video, and you can be just check that total 61 hours of video is there. 61 hours means exactly it will going to take you to complete. If you want to complete this course along with the practical things, so at least it will going to take you to 1 month time to complete one specific courses. So if you are truly dedicated, you can learn lots of things. And as well, no need to, we are Indians, we know that how much important that we will going to give always for the rating is going to be decide whether we have to be go with this course or not. So that will be decided by the rating. So you can see that this course is quite a comprehensive, and compared to the basically she holds a good. Angela is best instructor, so she's lectures are very easy to understand. Total out of 5.7 rating. So 4 lakhs people, 4,32,000 people has purchased their course, and they have given the rating. So 4.7, it's not too bad. It's very good rating as well. Rather than just going with the 60 or 70,000 of the courses, if you go with this course, it will be very effective too for you. So this is not only the software courses. So if you are it's about the software courses. So if your domain is further like digital marketing, so that you want to be learn, so you can be type for the digital marketing. Whatever the top courses are, they will be least at the top of the thing. So this is also be one of the Robin and Jasper. These courses also I have purchased, and it's very easy to understand completely about the digital marketing. And you can even start a digital marketing agency as well. So if you are if you want to start your agency, so I can definitely recommend to just go with their videos, and you will be amazed at how they are teaching with the newly technologies are there. So you can add, you can as well add the filter. So filter is a concept, you can go with the ratings and the language, English and whatever the language is there, and you will go with the price concept as well. So if you want to go with the premium version, you can be purchased. So if you won't be afford for the premium version, you can be select for the free version of the courses also is there. So whatever the free courses are there. So IIT course is also be one of the best course. So for 1 hour you will going to understand the basics. So I hope that whatever the free version of the courses are there, those are going to be just only for the beginner levels. For if you want to go with the advanced level, definitely go with the premium version of the courses. In full cost only 500. So this is all about the Udemy, and you will going to be update. You can, if you purchase any course, that will be in your My Learning sections, and if you want to in future purchase, you can be add to them in My Cart and Udemy business. So if you want to start your own business with Udemy, so regarding the bunch of courses regarding to the one particular skills, and you can upload into the Udemy and you can teach, and this is My Learning platform is there, and you can explore more concepts. So IT and software related the courses and there, so filterizations concept will come under this. So this is how you will going to learn everything about the Udemy. So I hope you have got a good clarity on Udemy. So as simple as that. So thanks for watching my video. So if you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe, and share to this video to your friends who is interested and who is enthusiastic to learn something. So Udemy will going to definitely add a value to your life.